CHECKUP rig. A little baby. Come on over. Let me get out of here. Oh.
Here it is.
Last week I went and sprayed some lubricant on the tires. Keep them, because this sun is crazy. What I need to do is put covers on them.
Yeah, we gotta get tire covers.
Sun,
We're doing a walk around like we always do.
I feel it on your skin, how that sun is burning. Woo. So yeah, we need a name. We need a nice name for her.
We need a nice name for it, and
We'll leave it up to you guys.
something that's gonna be catchy, but
Tires.
will also fit. Will fit her.
So she's a Denali. You let us know. She got 2 ACs. Oh, thank God. 2 ACs. We gotta have ACs. Gotta.
Where are you going?
Here, look. All right, folks. So, what do you think? What should we name her?
How big is it?
35 feet. We need your
What,
name.
what year is it?
It's a
2010.
2008. Yeah, it's 2008 Denali. Yeah, it's just really nice.
So we need a name, a nice catchy name.
We'll
The
bring you
truck.
inside.
The truck is named. What's the truck's name?
Moose. That's because of the. That's because of the mirrors.
Okay, let's go on. Let's go on inside.
So we call them Moose. Oh yeah.
This is where we keep her when we're. She's kept safe and sound.
They have the police department. They bring their dogs in here periodically, just for training. And the dog is a sniffer dog and sniffs everything.
But it's just for training. They do it for their training.
Yeah.
That's all they do.
So that's good. We like that. All right.
Let me get on this way.
Come on in to our future home. Full-time RV.
Welcome to our future home.
Right now, the
Sliders.
3 slides. They're all in. This is the main one, obviously. Then we have one in the bedroom. That
Sorry, it's kind of dark,
yeah.
but we didn't bring the battery or the Jenny.
Yeah. This is kind of a crude showing. But we figured, well, let you see it.
Let me check the humidifier.
Yeah, we have these things, one on each side. What they do is collect any water that's in the air, and it does work. Look at that. That's after a week.
That's not too bad.
Yeah, not bad. 'Cause, as you know, any RV, you gotta make sure.
You gotta make sure
dry.
that it's dry.
Dry.
You don't want to get mold.
Nope. So this takes the moisture out of the air. Got it on Amazon.
Did it come like a kit?
Yeah, came in a box.
Did it come with a kit, like extra the humidifier packs?
Yeah, there's a thing inside. I'll show you. Right here. You know what? I gotta put a new one in there.
It's all dried up.
Yeah, it's empty.
Okay, so we have
Wow, look at that.
to get
Look at it, look.
new one in.
Yep. All right.
Did we bring any?
Nope.
The life of Manny and Kathy and Carpe Diem RV style.
Woo, boy.
Well, I'll try to show you the kitchen. I can't show too much because see, the slide is in. Let me make sure the kitchen's still there. No, it's still there. Da, da, da. Hi, kitchen.
Can't believe we don't have no more of those.
You didn't bring it. There's none in that box down there by the door.
Man, that's...
There's none down there by the door.
No.
In a box. I promise next time we come to the RV, I will have my camera stick. So there's not too much jiggly wiggly. Trying to do the best I can here.
No, it's just...
There isn't any there.
I gotta order some more. Damn.
Oh, you know what? I think we did leave it at home in the garage.
Perfect place for something we need.
Well, we don't need it that bad.
Yeah.
Not yet.
Not with this heat. Get them out of it.
Did you want to put that in the cabinet, or?
We have to bring.
Yeah, I washed it and put it, you know.
Yeah, see, show that.
Oh.
Took that
I gotta
down.
go this way.
Washed it.
We took the cover to the AC off,
Yeah.
the vent cover, and we washed it, and forgot to bring it too,
Yeah.
because it was dirty. Always remember, when you get into stuff like this, get in the habit of checking your air conditioning vents and filters.
Yeah. Yeah.
And cleaning them, right?
Yep. Keep clean. Man, it's hot here. It's hot outside. Whoa. It's actually, man. It's a
It
little
is
cooler
hot.
in here.
It's a little bit cooler here in the rig, but it's still.
Oh,
She's warm.
yeah.
Okay, we'll be right back.